Hello friends, today we will learn the Insert tab. We will review different function of Insert tab that we can perform by using the Microsoft Word. In Insert tab, we having here the Insert ribbon where we can see the different groups like the pages, tables, selections, link, header, footer, text, and symbols. So in the first group, that is the page group. In this group, we will learn how we can add the cover page, how we can add blank page, and how we can insert the page break. The second group, that is the table, in which we will learn how can we draw the table. Here we have the pictures, clip art, shape, smart art. We can add charts, links. In link group, we have the first one, that is the hyperlink, bookmark, cross-referencing, header, footer, page number, and here we having the text elements. In the text group is a textbook, quick part, word art, and a few other functions, signatures, time, date, and the last one, that is the symbols. How we can perform the different functions by using Insert tab. So let's start. First one, that is the cover page. We can add the cover page in the start of the documents. We click here. Here we see that we have the different format of the cover page that we want to add. Let's suppose we select this one. We click here. So we see the cover page added on the front page of the documents. Here you can edit, like you have to mention the years. So you can add the years, that is 2020. So you can add the title of your document, that is, let's suppose, MS Word. Okay, here the by default pictures. Here you can add the writer or whatever the other information that you want to add on the cover page. So here the second page is the rest document. So we click here and we see the different pages are the documents. So we have the different formats of the cover page that we can select from these options. Okay, the second one, that is the page break. With the break the page, we just click here and we see that it's break the page, like it's differentiate between the page 1 and 2, like it's page 2, that is the page 3. We click here, so that is the show the page breakup. Okay, the next one, that is the table, like how we can add table in Microsoft Word. We just click here on table, we select the how many rows or columns that you need. Okay, let's suppose, so you see on your screen we draw a small table. Okay, so here we're having the table formatting. That's the border. If you want to add the border like this. Okay. So here we have the different formats of our table. Okay, whenever you draw the table, so you see the design tab appear here. So by using design type, you can change the table. And the second one is layout. So we can also add the rows, remove row, we split the cells, we split the table. So there are so many other functions that we can perform in the table. So from table, once again I repeat it, from table group you have to select the table option. You can draw here. If you see the other options, so you can insert the table by yourself, you can draw it, you can move on the spreadsheet, so you can add the tables like this, the different options given here. Okay, the next group we have in the first one, that is the pictures. Like if you want to add the picture in your document, so how we can add the pictures, like we click here, we select the pictures, like suppose we want to add this picture here, insert, so you see that the picture appear on your screen. Okay, similar in the table tab, whenever you add the picture, so you see that the format bar appear in front of you. Okay, here we having the different options by which we can edit this picture. Let's suppose we click the pictures, we add the border, change the shapes like this. So similar, so we can increase or decrease the brightness of the pictures from brightness option, contrast. So we can recolor and change the colors like this. Okay. We can also change the pictures here. Here the different arrangement of the pictures, like this way. Behind the text, title in line with text. Here we having the different options. So these are the two basic functions that we can perform by using the picture options. The second one in this group, that is the clip art. So we can add the different clip art that's given in your Microsoft Word. Next one, we have in the shape. We can draw the different type of shapes. So just give you the demo of the one image. So suppose you want to draw this image, so you just select it and you draw it. So similar, so you can edit this picture, this shape by using these options like this. So next one, the charts. We can add the chart. It's similar that we use in the Microsoft Excel. So you just click here, you just select, let's go the column chart. So here you see that the Excel sheet appear in front of you. So you can add your data here in Excel. So let's suppose the category 1 is a 5. So you see that the changes appear in Microsoft Word table in charts. So if we add here 8, so you see change the category. Let's suppose we add 3. So by this way we can add the chart and add data in chart. Similar in the Microsoft Excel, so we can edit the chart. We just click here. We see here we're having the design, we have the layout, and we have the formats. In next lecture we will cover these all things in detail. Okay. The next, that is the hyperlink. As you know, the hyperlink is used to create the link of the Microsoft Word document with any other documents or with any other web page. So let's suppose here I just type here let's suppose RPS, and if we have the, let's suppose I want to add this RPS, I want to create the hyperlink with any other file. So how we can do it? We just select it. The one way is we click here hyperlink, we select the document. Let's suppose that is APA guide 2017. This is our document. We select here, click here. So you see that it's the blue underline, it represents the hyperlink is created. So we just open it, you press the control key and enter it. So you see it's asking for permission. So this document, that APA guide that we attached here, is open in front of you. Similar, if you want to add any web link or any other link, so we can create by using this hyperlink. Here we have different options. So in future classes we will discuss in detail hyperlink as well. So next, that is, I think so we move in the cross. Header and footer. The information that appear on the top of the page, that is known as the header, and similar, the information that appear on the bottom of the page, that is known as footer. So how we can add the header and footer by using the Microsoft Word? So here in the header and footer group, we having the different options, that is header, footer, and the page number. So if we click the header, so we see the different format of the headers. That's a built-in in Microsoft Word. So we can use anyone to add the header of our document. Let's suppose we select this one. So you see that this information appear on the top of the page. We change it. Let's suppose we add the title of the documents. We add is MS Word. Okay. So here you have to enter year 2020. Okay, so you just click here, so you see that it's the blur. It means that the header is added. So if we move on next page, page 2 is automatically added on next page, and similar continue on the rest all pages. So by this way you can add the headers. The next is the footer. We already discussed the information appear on the bottom of the page, similar like the header. It's known as the footer. So we click here. Similar, we having the different format of the footer. Let's go just like this one. So you can see the footer appear on the bottom of your page. So similar header, it's automatically added on the rest all pages as well. So if we want to edit our header, so we just click here, double click here, so we can edit our header information. And similar, we can also remove, or we can also edit the footer information. We just double click on that. Whenever you double click on header or footer, you see that two new bars appear in front of you. One is format, like you can format your header, and second one is design, like you can change the different designs of your header and footer, like design, and you can change it. Suppose I wanted to make changes, so I can change it by using here. So you see that the footer is changed here. Okay. The next one is the page number. The Microsoft Word gives you option to add the page number of your Word documents. You just click here. So you have to select the category, like on the top of the page, the bottom of the page, on the margin, and the word position that you want to set. Let's suppose we select on the top of the page. So this option top. So here we having the different format of the page numbering appear in front of you. Let's suppose we select this one. So we see the page 1 information appear in the header. So whenever we move to next, so we can see it automatically it's at page 2. In the next, so it's at page 3. So here we have the different options to add the information. So